Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make tamarind balls. It's basically a regular sweet candy that you'll find in the Caribbean islands, right? And we use tamarind, a fruit grown on a very large tree, but we don't really have any trees that big these days because of the Hurricane Irma, which basically destroyed all the large trees. So I got this in the grocery store. This is a sweet tamarind, and to make our tamarind balls. So I'll be using this and some sugar, and that's it. It's a simple recipe to make this dessert. So here I go. Okay, so this is the tamarind. I took out just about 8 pods from the box. I'm not going to use the entire box for this recipe. I'm using the rest for another recipe. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to actually shell. Let me have to break the pod like this. Just use your fingers and just crack it, and it opens out, and that's what it looks like inside. It's sort of like a jelly sort of thing inside. And remove the firm part. I'll put the shell aside, and we have to remove this kind of like vein part of it. Remove all of that. And this is what we'll be looking for. See this part here? This is what we're going to use. So I'm going to finish shell the rest of them, and I'll be back when everything is done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sugar. I'm doing with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You could add more if you wish. And next I'm going to just blend the sugar into the tamarind, like how you're seeing me doing here. Just simple like that. Some people add pepper to their tamarind balls, but I prefer not to. You know, just in case my grandson want to eat some, you know, it wouldn't be too spicy for him. But this is the basic recipe, just the sugar and the tamarind. Now I've done that, you can see I formed it into a nice ball, just basically just squeezing it together, and it formed to a ball like this. And the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to separate this ball into smaller balls. Just like so. Just pinch up a small bit, and just roll it and form it into a ball. Special shout out to John Madsen. He is one of my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much, John, for your support. If you're interested in, this is for my other subscribers or viewers, if you're interested in to get a shout out like this and to be part of my Patreon community, check out my check out the description box area for more information. So now that I have formed broken the large piece of tamarind ball that was in a big bowl into smaller balls, I have some loose granulated sugar beside here. As you can see here, I'm rolling the smaller balls into the sugar just to give it a nice coating of that sugar there. And that's basically it. Just roll the sugar, roll the tamarind ball into the sugar, and that's it. And I'm done there. Here's the tamarind ball all done. Yeah, so give it a try. It's quite tasty and nice. It's quite fun to eat. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.